So what is up guys? So ngayon ay siguro mauuna tong ma-post tong video na to rather than the update or rather than the post na first part ng ating racing. So racing contest. So update ko lang sa inyo guys. Eto. Race 0.1. Gumawa akong GC and then may isa pang kulang na contestant dyan. Hindi ko siya ma-add kasi hindi ko siya friend. Hindi ko rin siya ma-add sa FB. So, update ko na lang kayo guys pag kasali ko na siya bago itutuloy yung video na dapat talagang kasama doon. Kasi i-update ko sila doon sa GC. Through the GC, bago ko isasend sa kanila yung map ng race ko sino mga kalaban nila. So, yun lang. Small update lang sa inyo guys. Pero, ang gagawin natin ngayon is maglalaro muna tayo ng Lost in Glue. Bagong download ko siya kagabi lang. And suggest nga kayo ng ibang games na maganda. So ito, Lost in Glue, lalaroin natin siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, survival or what. Pero dinownload ko siya kagabi before ako matulog. Kasi sabi ko gusto kong mag-try ng ibang games. Para sa inyo rin, ganun. And survival. Dear survivor, thank you for choosing our game. By proceeding, you confirm that you agree to our terms and conditions and privacy policy of Volcano Force Games. You will not use our products and service if you are younger than 16. Agree. I am 16. So, wait lang guys. Update ko kayo maya kasi may utos si mama. So, pag nag-start naman na tong game, hindi ko muna aanihin. Update ko lang kayo, cut ko lang yung video saglit. Kasi nagda-download resource pa naman din. So guys, natagalan na ako kasi kumain muna ako. Pero, loading, patapos na siya. Kumain muna ako guys, kaya natagalan. Wait lang, ba't bumalik? Pero, yan. So, kumain muna ako, kaya natagalan ako guys. So, yan. Ako ay kumain kaya natagalan tayo guys. Pero okay na yan. Dami naman loading. Pangatlong loading na to sa halit. So, hindi ko alam tong game na to. Dinownload ko na talaga siya kagabi. Kung pangit graphics nito, ayoko talaga naman.
Ladies and gentlemen,
okay.
please fasten your seatbelts. Some turbulence expected.
Ano ba pipiliin natin? Sana kasi naka-braids gusto. Ito lang. Ang ganda ng graphics, man. Okay, ganun siya. Yung may bat doon, oh. Paddle pala, akala ko bat. zombie, may zombie. Yun. Dang, lahat sila, men. Shoot. Sino kaya to? Nox! May partner dito, kay Gets. At least maganda yung graphics niya.
Hey, buddy.
Siyempre, hindi ba kay Jerry? Saan magkukulit ako ng ano eh.
Here.
This is what I built. Those electric fence are supposed to. Well, this might not be 100% accurate, but you can call those things mutants. Those fences are supposed to keep the mutants out, but the wreckage of the plane destroyed the fence, so no mutants are getting in. Pick up the chainsaw over there and help me clean the housing. If you are up to no good, I don't mind using this gun to finish you along with those mutants. Okay. Ano. Nawala yung chainsaw.
Oh.
Box, you can take the toolkit and fix the electric fence quickly. Okay. Ganda niya. Ang ganda guys. Ang ganda.
Oh.
She is repairing the distribution box very quickly and the wires touch each other. Damn it. The wiring is in the distribution are cord dead. Those monsters are getting dangerous close to. See that gun on the ground? Use it to buy me something. Okay. Dang, ang ganda ng laro guys. Shoot. Biglang malaki. Dang, ang ganda ng laro. Kunin na natin lahat. Do you have many questions? We can answer all I can tell you. We need to use this time to rest since time is very short. The entire night monsters level stopped howling.
Oh.
You're awake. Can't believe you were still able to fall asleep. While you always need a good rest, especially in a dynamic environment. If I need to see you walking out of the plane, in your honors, I have told you where to spy. I have a thought you where to spy. Sorry guys, nabubulol ako. Mapafocus lang eh. You didn't cause any problems yesterday. Let me teach you some survival rules here. Look at what you're wearing. You don't stand a chance in front of those monsters. Take this hammer and collect some rocks from the monsters to make some clothes. Okay. Yo, mistig na itong game na to ah. Lupit nang gumawa na ito. Lupit ng game guys, lupit ng game. Game niya guys. So, suggest ko sa inyo, laruin nyo na rin to. Lost in Blue. We need more wood to strengthen our cat. We can collect some jungle wood so we can make our workbench. We can also utilize planks to upgrade weapons. You'll need them. You can craft a stone axe first to increase your okay. Stone axe. Okay. Tuwa ako sa gantong laro ah. Ganun pala siya yun. Then just remain. Tuwa ako dito ah. Ang galing niya, ang galing niya. Natutuwa ako guys. Ang ganda niya, ang ganda niya. Dapat ganun ako ng iba't ibang kinds ng survival game. Pero hindi ganito kaganda yung survival game. Pangit ng graphics. Kaya nga sabi ko kanina, ang pangit ng graphics. Hindi ko lalaro. Hindi ko tulad laro eh. Pero tutuloy natin kasi ang ganda. Tira natin siya. Ano ba to? So yun guys, laruin nyo na lang to. Apakaganda ng laro. Recommended sa inyo. So, ako muna maglalaro muna ako ng walang video kasi ang saya ng laruin nito. So, suggest ko sa inyo, laruin nyo na rin kasi sobrang ganda niya. Wait lang guys, mapwesto ko lang to. Four blocks. So guys, see you on the next video. Maglalaro muna ako.